In this video, I will show you how to create proxies without Media Encoder. Step 1. Open Handbrake. Click Open Source and load your clip. Choose a low resolution preset like 720p. Set video to H.264, then keep the same frame rate. And set quality around RF25 to 28. Step 2. Save the Proxies folder. Name files with the same base name as originals, or add underscore proxy so you can match them later. Step 3. Click Add to Queue for multiple clips, then start queue. Step 4. In Premiere, select your original clips in the project panel. Right-click Proxy, attach proxies. Then browse your proxy files and attach. Step 5. Turn proxies on or off using the wrench menu in the program monitor. Then toggle proxies for smooth editing.